Hello everyone សួស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នា Welcome to Speaking Khmer. I am Hyung and today video I am going to do about the vowels and sound in Khmer. So if you did not watch the sound and the letters of the Khmer language yet, please go to my playlist and check it out. And then you continue to the vowels and sound. Then you can start with the words. Okay, the first vowels we call sra, and the first one we call sra. So this is the letters, and this is sra. So this is the vowels. So in Khmer, in writing and reading, you can see sometimes the vowels is like in front of the letters, sometimes it's under the letters, sometimes it's next to like this, sometimes it's in the middle, so it's go around. But this is only speaking, so it's easy. Okay, so the first one we call sra. So this is the letter to. It's T, but we say to. A, ta. Okay, again. To, a, ta. Grandpa. So this is we did before as well. Ta. And the next one, it. If you see this one, we pronounce it. Good. So this is go, good, to think. And next one, a. But a, the next video you will see, sometime I will write with EY and I say it a. Sometime I will write it EI and it is also pronounced a. Because sometimes it doesn't sound correctly if we say EI. Sometimes it doesn't sound correctly when we say EI. So but this is the sound is a, the sound a. And the word is srei, girl, srei. So if you want to say it 2 times, I can say the girls, but in plurals. If you want to say the girl in plurals, you can say srei. So just 2 times. So 1 girl, srei, 2 girls, srei. So it means plurals. Okay. And the next one, to, and ko, tức, water, tức. This is sra, but it like this. This is sra, but here the phonetic symbol, if you see this phonetic symbol, just say it okay, because in Khmer language we have 2 different kinds, 2 different series of the letters, the sound of the letters. Sometimes it's O, sometimes it's O. So it is really complicated to you as the one who study only speaking. So just remember, if you see this phonetic symbol, just say it okay? And the word is lu, to hear something. So if you hear something, you say lu. Khnyom, lu, I hear. Khnyom, lu, nè. Okay, can say that. Or I hear you. Okay. And next is sra. O. So O also, this is I say 2 because like I mentioned, there are 2 different kind of the series of the letters. So sometimes you can say it O, sometimes it's U. So, but here O, pro, say pro boy. So srei pro girls and boy. And the same thing if you want to say for the person, if you want to say for the person, if you want to say more than one, you can just double it. So srei pro. Oh sorry, here boys boy. And this is o say ho flow. It's like the water is flowing. So water, you know water, okay. The water is the, and flow ho. So you can say the ho is water is flowing. Okay. Next one, okay, this way. We have sra u. This is sra u. ou is u. And the word is cool. This is k. You remember for the last my last video for the alphabet, this is the second letter, the k sound, and cool, your brain, cool, and your head is kabal, so like kabal, kabal, like K H, oh sorry, again. Okay. So, cool, can say kabal. Kabal is your head. So if you say cool kabal, it means your brain. But if you say just only cool, also it makes sense. It's the same, brain. But if you want to make more sense, you can say cool kabal. Okay. And next one is R. If you see this one, just remember we say it R. Okay. Dar. Walking. Dar. Walk. To walk. ខ្ញុំដើរទៅធ្វើការ ខ្ញុំដើរទៅធ្វើការ I walk to work.ដើរ and this one ស្រៈអឺ in more from your chest. So when you say this letter, this sound, you say so you feel yourself here. You put your hand like this and you feel it. So it's more stronger. And the word is tư. So this one it refers to people. Mostly we talk to the people which is small. People supposed to grow up, right? Supposed to grow bigger. But for the people who doesn't, some people do not grow up, just stay like this, stay small. So we call them tư. And for the plant also, if you grow the plant and it's not grow up, you can say tư. Short or small, but never grow big. This one is ear. I have two as well. This one, I-E, ear. I-A, also ear. Rin. Okay, together. Rin. Ro-ear, rin. To study. Rin. ខ្ញុំរៀនខ្មែរ It's like ខ្ញុំ no, រៀនខ្មែរ oh nhóm riêng Khmer. Okay. Nhóm riêng Khmer. I study Khmer. And this one we call sra A. Sra A. 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 Po pe. Po pe. Po pe. Okay. Po pe is goat. Remember I talked last video with po pe si ping ping. Po pe si ping ping. Okay. The goat is spider. But just to practice your tongue. Okay. Okay, so let's go together from the beginning again. Let's say together. A, I, A, O, O, U, A, Ư, I, E. Tả, kích, srei, tức, lư, pro, hố, khúa, đá, tứa, riêng, poppy. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have any question or any comment, please drop the comment below and I will check it and I will reply you. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.